Daystar has developed a new line of shock foam bump stops called EVS, which stands for Enhanced Vehicle Suspension. Designed to install on any aftermarket or OE shock, these foam isolators will enhance your shock's performance by softening your shock's compression, preventing hard impact at rod bottoming. Daystar EVS foam bump stops are manufactured in two different foam densities to better match your vehicle's performance requirements. Black, which is dense for off-road use, and red, which is soft primarily for street application. Daystar bump stops are conveniently packaged in clamshell sets of 2 and easily install over shock mounts using the optional installation tools, which are sold separately. One tool for I-mount shocks and a separate tool for stud mount shocks. Now let me show you how to install a foam shock bump stop on a stud mount shock. Remove all the hardware from your shock. Now, slip the optional installation tool over the stud. Now liberally apply the included lubricant onto the tool. Now with just a little bit of muscle, slide the bump stop over the top of the shock. It's that easy. You're done.